Welcome to Savor Time, everyone. Buckle up for a ride as we enjoy amusing videos showcasing individuals from various regions across the nation. From unique accents to entertaining cultural variances, depicted in this video brings a delightful blend of comedy and insights into different ways of life. Let's dive in. Share your anecdotes with us by leaving a comment. Let's lighten the mood with some laughter. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Good people enjoy, and I thank you.
Soze bangagezi kaloku banxiba nezikipa zabantwana abancinci, izikipa zeenewborn zinxitywa ngabo. Fike betakisa izusu batsho ngothi umphokoqo oxutshwa ngezandla xa bawupholiselwa kulaa renki. Amaxeleko bebenobhadla njani, umntu isayizi yakhe engayazi uyazithenga.
Hey lo hore khale o di bona ene khale banna ba o dlela khale ba tsena ba tswa e tlo ba mokoti wa ntlhala a ke re wena o ira di size tse different tse ntši ning o tshwere extra large rank ning ke medium ning ke eng ntwele it's not as elastic as you guys think it is so yo ba mokoti that's why ha tsena no because I will come corner hanang if nail elastic no bale virgin after every round. Yeah, bueler. So Lelo Frambashman, it's not elastic. Sorry.
Oh my God.
But it's true, like
Go, no,
listen to me.
Where am I? Abantu balela ukahle
No, we have to talk about this,
Where am I? Ukhuzwa kangaki?
Please, let's talk about this because it's very important.
Ukhuzwa kangaki amandla?
Because it's different you from
Uqala ngithethula umsindo man rabile. Abantu balele bazobela kubelalele ukutiza kwakho.
What's fucking? Coco, but I love you, okay?
Where am I ngizokushaya manje? Ngizokushaya.
Coco, I love you.
Ngizokushaya ke manje.
Into abhlungu ukuthi amadoda ashadile isex akayithola. Abantu besilisa kwi-dating scene bafuna isex because indoda has this need to spread i-seed yakhe, to spread i-DNA. Indoda nje ifuna ukuthi angene endlini abone iy'ngane zakhe eziningi akhulise umuzi kababa wakhe. But when you visit the whole idea, non-sex amadoda ayathanda sex because they have higher testosterone. Therefore, testosterone boosts i-libido. Amadoda batsho kakhulu kunabantu besifazane, phecelezi. Kodwa emshadweni amadoda ayancishwa isex, ashawe izandla. Umuntu asifazane emshadweni gets to be provided for each and every day.
Here. Don't forget to engage with us in the comment section and blast in the like and subscribe button. Good people, I thank you.
Papaji, compare Mumar and Julia. In the name of Jesus, get out.
Hey, Makala.
Get out in my house. Get out in my house. In the name of Jesus, get out in my house.
6 months later.
Do you still remember this guy? Back to the sender. Fire in the name of Jesus. Ofodile. Okarata. Papaji. Mfana, you're going home.
pregnant now, this
woman.
Hayi uyingonyama msunu wakho uyeva ndiyakuxelela ngoku ungiqhela amanqathu omnqundu wakho.
South Africa is a mess. Imagine paying taxes for this kind of service.
I don't mean to be nasty in any way at all, but surely, this can only happen in Africa, namely South Africa. They now employ people, and there's puddles like this, I can assure you, all this water here, it's like an ocean. Have a look at that. Up, down, all over the shore. These ladies stand there all day, then they take the bucket, they throw it in the bay, feed the fish, they're 20 meters. Then they go all the way back there, then they go all the way back, while they're standing there having a confab, they pull the bucket, right? Africa.
And then we're pregnant too, yeah? We're pregnant too, yeah, chapel, you're pregnant. Why we jam Mabua Basadi, why jam the Batuba pregnant?
I keep pregnant.
Vera Mabua to Abasadi, why jam by pregnant, Yangam. Aria Paratama, man. Otherwise, we are going to drag you out. We don't care, limits, Gamahari. Before Lemala Onamo, limits Gamahari, you are damaged. Santoro Kobol Lavafan. But O Kobol Love Mona Ubu, we buy a betterment for this woman. Your nonsense. Alisa Zavalor Lepaka, Mutagataga Negam. Ariana dia jumble say, Likin Netamam. Let's a month. Oshatara Regis meter box all our Kihala Kendra. I rom Kobol la mama. Yo, yeah. Walova, what's in a gamo? What do you mellow? What do you mellow? Mom.
Ngathi ngabusana ngudlala ngoba ngufuni babe ngibuze ekhaya ngathi mina ku 12,000 engubekile uzonginela ukuthi ngingwakhe ngizothenga libhosi le 350 lapha ngoba vele liyobona bese ke imali esalayo kuzongisiza ngangcwatshwa ngecasket ya 48,000 engakazi ngibe nayo ebank engabe ngcwatshwa ngemali encane ke leyo mali encane eseleke idliwe noma ingane umuntu kukhipha ukunjani imfakile lapho kuyisashona enhlabathini konke lokho kuyinto senenzela ukuvuma khelwane sina bathi la ikhasi ningele ikwelete emva kweni asiphelise isikwelete somngcwabo ngasikhokha 10 years sifana nesomshado kufunko mawusha thenga isikwelete futhi ngathi uyeza nonkosikazi ukalela foyeza vela kashiyi It's a show, mawushaya Unobone uthenga imbazo uthenga isibhamu kwangena message ongayiqondi ulola imbazo ayiphindi ingene kwangena ikholo ngayizwa udonsa isibhamu zonke izinto ezizoqonda ekhaya akho lutho ukubheka icelelo zongena ngempela
Wala kanti umsindo.
Anginandaba mbangela wena umsindo ngongeza.
Uma cancel lalele wona bonke
anginandaba ngoba bakubona uyintsha. Mgodoyi uyintsha. Bakubona uyintsha.
Hamba ke so right.
Ihambe kuyang. Hamba thatha umntwana, hamba la, hamba thatha umntwana.
Ayikho lento eshoyo. Shuthi mina ngiyakhula ekhanda ngivitana ngidini nje. Shuthi phela. Wena ndu uyabona ukuthi wena umdiniswayo. Sawona ndu. Yebo njani? Yaphila njani? Nami ngiyaphila. Uhleli nje akhe inkombe. Uthi ngcina? Uhleli nje akhe nje ubingelela yena yedwa. Hayibo bengina nje wena ekhaya. Phela sakhe ekhaya sisikoleni ngibingelele. Kahle cela uba ngochuku. Thula yena ndu ezamndena ingene. Ayike ngena ke lezona musukudlala ngowethu. Shuthi makuphuma isikole sakubingelele futhi. Wena ndu ngasukhuluma kakhulu. Ngizofutana ngiyasho kusasa ukuthi ubunkopela ngenkathi spell test. Itest ingena manje la. Wangena bangikhuluma nengane esikhaya. Cha uzodlala ngomunye nje wena gcina. Hlangana phi? Mina kukhumbuza wena ukuthi ngoba usungikhohlile. Ayishaye gcina mfuna ngishaye.
Let's
up, Are Maradona Gita, Cash Content, Stand up, Are Maradona Gita.